With AnalysisPlace document generation, it's easy to quickly create Word or PowerPoint documents directly from content in Excel with just a click.
Here's how it works. The administrator can upload a Word or PowerPoint template that has been linked with the add-in. Then the user can change things in the workbook. I'm going to change the customer name to new name, and then I'll go over to the add-in and choose the Advanced tab. And here in the drop-down I see a list of all the reports that have been uploaded. I'll choose the PowerPoint report and create a report. Successful. So now I'll go ahead and download it. In the new PowerPoint document, I can see that the customer name has been updated.
There are lots of ways that document generation can make your life easier. Business proposals, financial, client presentations, and instant reports are just a few clicks away. Here are a few examples of the types of Word and PowerPoint documents that can be made directly from Excel with just a couple of clicks.
Here's how an administrator can upload a new template to the add-in. When you're logged in as an administrator, the Admin tab will appear. Then you'll go over to Cloud Reports, and I'm going to add a new report. I'm going to call that report New PowerPoint, and I'm going to give it a description of newest version. Then I'll go ahead and browse, and I will find my template that I've already created the add-in links with, and I will open that and upload it into my add-in. It's been a success. Now your users will see the Advanced tab, and when they look in there, they can see the newest PowerPoint and can create a report. One of the great advantages of our document generation method is that you can update documents as content changes. For example, say you're having a meeting with your client, brand X, and you're starting to customize a report for them. I'm going to go ahead and create this Word report, and then I'll make more adjustments later. As you can see in this document, the brand X has been included now. But as I'm talking to my client, I see that they would prefer that this be called data instead of content. Now I'll add the add-in to the document, and I'll be able to continue updating this already adjusted document. As I continue to talk to my client, I see that my number of users and the project duration needs to be adjusted. So once I have those fixed, I want to go ahead and create the document again. So this time I'll use the Submit tab in the add-in and submit content. Back in the Word document that I adjusted for our client, I'm going to go ahead and update the changes I just made from Excel. And as you can see, the original change the client wanted is still there, but my other numbers have been adjusted from the Excel.
It's easy to get started. Our template-based document generation is available through our enterprise features. You can try a free 30-day trial. Contact us to get started today.